Just gonna check on my bike. I'll be back. Film for a few more minutes because they're just taking pictures of the bodies right now. So un hombre y su hijo. ¿Atropellaron un hombre y su hijo?
Sí.
¿Los conociste? ¿Los conocías?
No los conocía, pero es un niño de 10 años.
Y...
Son dos niños murieron porque a los dos los atropelló. Y el papá, o sea, atropelló a tres, a los dos niños y al papá, pero los dos niños murieron.
Y el papá no.
Está en el hospital herido. Pero solo
verga.
ahí.
Shit. So the dad survived, and the two kids that he was with, probably his sons, ran over, and so they're both under the tarp right now. They didn't make it. And the guy driving this big ass SUV, this big ass RV. El que manejaba es drogadicto, ¿ah?
¿Ah?
El que manejaba es drogadicto.
Sí, venía él.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Y ya lo metieron. Ya. Qué bueno. Se lo merece. So they arrested the guy. He was high as fuck. So he's gonna get 2 counts. 2 counts of DUI, driving under the influence. Carries 2 life sentences. So he's gonna get 2 life sentences for what he did. This camera crew, big news crew. So you can see the guy with the special investigators right there, just taking pictures of the whole thing. So yeah, I'm doing this. So I can't imagine how that would feel. It's losing 2 kids. One of them was 10. I don't know how old the other one was, but it's pretty bad. Horrible, yeah. So it happened right here on 4th in New Hampshire. This is Vermont and 4th. plaza here. There's a homeless encampment right there, so I hate to say it, but they should all, when there's a homeless encampment like that, when it gets too out of hand, you guys need to find a way to get rid of them, because it's just shit like that will happen. Fighting, stabbings, all kinds of shit. And then these guys want to drive a car. And it's crazy. Yep. The Sizzler. Anyways, I gotta get back to it, guys. If I get more interesting stuff going on in LA, be sure to film it.